Hello and welcome back to Dad's Backyard Blueprint. Today we've got our potatoes. I think they're ready. All these leaves and all the foliage on top is all wilted and brown. And I did kind of dig in there to do a little skin check. We rub the surface of the potato to make sure the skin doesn't come off. And they're pretty much ready. So I planted these back in late February. And now we're getting close to late May here. So around the time. But to know for sure, all this stuff on top dying off, and we'll see what we got underneath. And yes, this is my first time growing potatoes. Sorry, so I don't really have any expectations, but maybe 10 potatoes per bucket. I mean, they're pretty sizable buckets. That's my hope, I guess. Let's see what I get. And honestly, for the life of me, I cannot remember the varieties. I know one was a purple potato. Maybe the other one had purple skin, but it wasn't purple inside. I don't know. Let's find out. So we're gonna dump this into here. Nice big root ball, looks like. Roots everywhere. We're gonna dig through it, see what we can find. Here we go. Decent. Hopefully we didn't run into any like rotting or disease or anything. Got a bunch of little ones, but some decent sized ones too. Sorry, I'm trying to wait for that airplane to go by. Got a couple more. Looking good so far. So I'm gonna bring you in here to this root base to see what's going on. So on this big root base here, this big root ball, we got a bunch of little ones that are attached, and they didn't get very big, especially things like this. Now, I'm not sure if it was just not watering enough, or what the problem was here, that these didn't get big or form. Maybe just not enough space in the bucket. Now, these little ones, they might still be good and probably edible. They are purple on the outside, so I don't know if they're green on the inside. I'm gonna have to cut them up to find out. So we're gonna go through and get out as much as we can, search through all of this dirt to make sure that we didn't miss any. And like that, there we go. There was one hiding. So yes, as I said before, this is my first time growing potatoes, but I think, at least so far, turned out pretty good. So this was the first bucket. Now let me show you what we got from that. So this first bucket had about 18 potatoes. 18 potatoes in it. Actually far exceeding my expectations. And we've got the biggest one about this size, all the way down to the smallest one about that size, and everywhere in between. So we're going to do this again with the next bucket, find out if we have the same situation going on, if they're bigger, if they're smaller, less or more. Let's do it. All right, on to the second one. Let's see what we got in here. Dump it out. And start searching. Oh yeah, these look good. Okay, so these are like a red potato. red potato, decent size. Let's see how many we get. I'm feeling quite a few in here. And so far, they all seem to be around the same size, which I'm happy with. Honestly, for the first time, has already exceeded my expectations. So I gotta say, potato growing is something that I'm probably going to be doing a lot more of. So these potatoes were pretty much right around the root here, on both of this foliage. Sometimes they can spread out in the bucket, but not these ones. These ones all like to stay bunched up. That might be about it for those red potatoes. Never hurts to get your hands a little dirty, you know? All right, let's take a look at what we got. So we got about 12 potatoes here, and I guess this is the smallest one. That's not too bad compared to the biggest one right here. All in all, that's a pretty good harvest. I promised my kids that I'd harvest the other ones with them. So really quick, maybe some things that I would do differently next time, since when I planted them, mainly I planted the potatoes in dirt, and there wasn't a whole lot of straw mixed in. I would probably mix in the straw for all of it instead of just kind of the top layer. Um, that way the soil's a little more loose. It gives the potatoes a little bit more ability to grow. And then next, probably monitor the water a little bit more. And they were in direct sunlight all day long. Maybe I'll mess around with next time. I'll mess around with how much sun they're getting. Our sun here, California, Central Valley, it gets pretty hot, especially going into summer. So I'll mess around with how much sun they get next time. That'll do it for the potato harvest. Please consider, if you like this stuff as I do, feel free to like, subscribe, keep on growing. Thanks.